All right, let's take another stab at this. Are you with me? You're with me. Fantastic. All right. So I think we're grabbing the wrong thing. Merge data flow. Oh, so we do have a to-do for this. I think I was ranting about that the other day. Okay, yesterday or something. So saying that we need to do that. So it's still not done then. I take it. All right, okay. So this overlaid, so merge. So we were supposed to accept this merge. So data flow, we were applying overlays to. We were running. True. Merge. Data flows merge. Data flow from dict. Merge implementations. Right, and so this is why we diffed this before we did it. So now it's screwed up. Okay, so let's take a look at this again. So we end up with the right flow, but we don't end up with the right implementations, right? So that looks like it worked. Overlay. Merge implementations, refactor to function. All right, okay. So, okay, we merged our implementations. Okay, so we need this data flow we were applying as overlays from overlay data flow. That's an input. Okay. I think I have to bail on this whole thing right now. No, come on. Repo to directory. Oh yeah, so that's okay. Yeah, because that one has an implementation. Everything else instantiated fine because it's installed. So, okay, so So we're not supposed to grab this overlays merge. So we're supposed to do data flow. We're applying overlays to by running overlay data flow and passing as input. Okay, so data flow being overlaid. Let's look at the execution. So data flow today, data flow as today, data flow from dict overlays merged. Okay, so basically all we ended up doing here was going data flow to data flow as dict and then to from dict. Okay, so to dict, from dict, data flow being overlaid as dict, stage output, merge data flow. We have too many things happening here. I think we wrote too many things at the same time. Okay, so because look at all these output operations. So we want to, and what is this overlay? Data flow to apply as overlay. Okay, so just data flow being overlay as dict. Okay, so main package overlay. Are we applying an overlay here, or are we doing? Operation implementation, non-instantiable. Go to directory. Okay, so overlays installed. So does overlays installed get called? So if overlays installed is getting run, then we must have, what path did we come through here? High level data flow. All right, so we came through here. This is where we enabled the debug logging. So we turn it off there, then we see nothing. Okay. There we go. Okay. This effectively, let's read the notes. This effectively creates a new system context, a direct ancestor of the one that got passed in and the overlay. Therefore, they are both listed as the input parents. Overlays applied prior to deployment. That doesn't really make any sense. Therefore, they are both listed in the input parents. let me spit this out. It's called provide overs. Right, so I think we should delete that part of it, and we should keep this, right? And we should say system context, right? So, okay, so upstream equals result. Okay. And links equals data flow, overlay, and orchestrator. All right, so that is what that system context looks like. None type is not callable, so it doesn't like this. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's just running the flow. Okay. So basically, we did not apply the overlay in this instance. Okay, I think we need to bail on this thing for now. I think what we're going to do is we're just going to use the I don't know. Yeah, I need to stop this. So let's install the release version and see what happens. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay. Great. Okay. So what do we want to do? We want to extend CVE bin tool and pass in. Okay, so resultant system context equals system context. Okay. Okay. Back to the fact that this is not instantiable. Okay. All right, so high level data flow run. We use overlay as system context deployment. And then we push. Okay. Time check 37. Okay, so base, that's wrong up there. So we're not going to commit that. It's wrong as is, but okay. Active system context. Okay, so okay. All right, so div system context. What was this? So active system context. Take parent and only upstream config as config. So what do we have that's uncommitted? It's this mostly CLI stuff. Okay, we don't want to mess with that right now. So, okay, time check 39. Report to directory not found. Where are we? Okay, so we need to use this merge implementation. So the question is how, right? So do we need something that's like the opposite of extend? No, that doesn't work because everything's a stream. We have to collect it all. So we can do that. Where basically okay. So if we were to collect all of the Data flow being overlaid to detect. Okay. Data flow to apply as overlay. Main page, data flow being overlaid. Data flow being overlaid as dict. Data flow merge data flow. So that merge data flow after overlays merged. So when you run the main package overlay, so you run the main package overlay, so the upstream is the main package overlay. Or wait a minute, yeah. Upstream is the main package overlay. The overlay. And we run the data flows. Oh, and this is why it's confusing. So main package overlay needs to get passed in to this as data flow being overlaid. And then data flow we're applying overlays to. Okay, so this is the ephemeral main package overlay. Data flow equals overlay. Okay, so if overlay is not none, no overlays installed. Okay, so this isn't working. Let's just skip it. Key error. Okay, level data flow. Um, okay, skip. In progress, failure to apply, fails to apply, overlay, so skipped for now. Okay, so df memory 2218, so 22822. Okay. Okay, so what is this? An output. Okay. Okay, so this thing only got one value. Oh, that's right, and we have to move the input into the repo to directory, puts outputs. Yeah, this is not good. Okay, so an output items. Okay. Repo to directory. Okay. We do repo to directory. And then we do, okay, repo to directory. And then we want the should I operations, right? So where should I? Python DFML sample. Okay, so let's go back to DFML here. Okay. So this is what commit we're on. Okay. Implement multi-language introduction. Data flows to handle scanning, rather than extend via overlays. Okay. Via overlays to add functionality such as should I, where appropriate. Okay. Um, let's do, so we'll note that we tested against this development version of DFML. Development version of DFML blank, right? Scan a Python repo, scan a Git repo. Um, so currently Python CVEs or Python certainly runs. Should I operations or should I scanning? And then we'll pass a directory, right? So dot. Okay, so uh, scan files as usual. We'll add overlays to build. So in future, we can add overlays to run the build, then scan, right? So for example, if we see that a build is available via GitHub Actions, we could fork the repo. We could initiate a fork, run the action, consume the build, then do the scan. Right. Because it's all arbitrary with the overlays once we get them working. So okay. All right. So data flow based scanning for multi-language support. Okay, blank. Okay. Here's our pull request. Okay, so all right, so now I'm going to turn this into a checklist here. So support Python via inclusion of should I flows. And I can't spell language apparently. So I need to fix that up here as well. Okay, so okay. Okay, so existing scanner functionality. Yeah, data flows. Okay. Let's go ahead and put that over here. Is this the right one? Yeah. We might run into the really don't want to have to deal with the GraphQL page nation. I don't think this is 100 comments now, right? Yeah, that's not 100 comments. It's nowhere close. All right. Okay. And here's our nice little restructured text file that we're working on. Okay, and then we'll have to take away these test blocks. Okay, I'm trying to get GitHub to support this. We'll see how it goes. So, to support displaying it without, being a problem. Hmm. Let us combine with the RPM file stuff as well. So support inclusion. So RPM file. Okay, so operations binsec. The data flows add into as an extra within extras required. Add in diff as an extra via extras. Okay, so what we can do is within CVE bend tool, we can say, right, so on our entry points here, we can say CVE bend tool scan data flow. Multi CVE bin tool multi CVE bin multi tool. CVE bin multi tool. No, CVE bin tool scanner data flow. And so then here we can list diffml feature get. Right, so data flow. Okay, why did I name it that? Install with extras. Install CVE bin tool. Extras require. I think, ooh, extras require. data flow. Okay. All right, I gotta go.